Hello curlies, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome, and of course if you're returning, all 40,000 subscribers of you, then welcome back. Yeah, I am like so happy. Thank you to everybody who's subscribed to my channel so far. 40,000? Yeah, I'm really honoured. Thank you, loves. Anyway, I am coming to you today looking like Felicia from Friday because I am going to be doing a hair trend challenge that's been going around YouTube. It's the I tried such and such's tutorial challenge. Today's video is actually going to be a collab with Viv Hairtherapy from Jamaica. If you don't follow her channel, you need to go and follow her channel now. She does amazingly beautiful hairstyles. She's generally beautiful anyway. She has a really great personality and she's very informative with her videos. And if you love product reviews, you'll definitely love her channel. So I'm going to leave a link to her video up here. So what Viv and I decided is that we are both going to try a hairstyle from the Chic Natural and see how it goes. So watch this video to the end to see how I do, and then of course at the end you can check Viv's video out to see how she got on.
And you also want to try to make it really flush to your head as you're braiding down.
Okay, so that was a fail. Look on this. I was ready to give up on this one. Like, I swear this was going to turn out like crap.
So the hairstyle that I decided to go with is called, I'm just looking down it now, it's called the Pony Hawk. It just says the Pony Hawk Natural Hairstyle. I'm a bit nervous about this, but yeah, I'm hoping it goes well.
Today I'm here with a hairstyle tutorial I like to call the Pony Hawk, and I'm going to be using ENQUIRIES products.
Don't have any end time products, but...
Hey guys, so to do this style, I'm starting off with my hair semi-stretched since it's the easiest state for me to style my hair in. And here it's a bit dry since I don't have...
Okay, so she said that she's starting her hair out on semi-stretched hair. Okay, so I have never actually like stretched my hair like this before, but... because I still had some of the co-wash in my hair when I plaited my hair, then yeah, it's a bit dry, but it's not as dry as it seems.
And here it's a bit dry since I don't have any products in it. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply some of the Aphrodisian leave-in, and that's going to give my hair some much needed moisture and also make it more manageable. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the ponytails. So I'm first doing...
Oh, stop. So she put some leave-in in, but she didn't really look like she really put a whole ton in. I'm going to use some of this, which is the Grow Healthy Shea and Coconut Flat Out Frizz Fighter, because it's a moisturizer. But of all the moisturizers that I use, it doesn't frizz out your hair so quickly. Okay, I'm going to put a bit here towards the ends, but I'm trying not to overdo it because, yeah. Okay, Kim, what should I do next?
Apart, going straight across from ear to ear.
Oh. Okay, so she's doing this parting going across from ear to ear now. So I don't have one of those parting combs. I've literally just got this at the moment. So this is just gonna have to do. I'm nervous about this because she makes it look so easy. So she said to go across from ear to ear. So let's see. Maybe I should have combed. Maybe I should have like combed out my hair a bit more before I did this parting. Oh boy. Okay, hold on. Don't know. You tell me. What do you think? I think I'm gonna stick with it for now.
So that divides my hair into a front and back section, and for now I'm gonna put the back away and do the front first. I'm going to be doing 3 ponytails in the front and 3 in the back. So starting at the end of that line, I'm going to branch off and make kind of like a diagonal part and go across.
Oh,
and that's
okay,
going to make the first section for the ponytail.
Okay, so Now, oh no, where did I put my comb?
Before I put it in the ponytail, I want to make sure my hair is smooth and sleek. So I'm using some of the buttercream hydrator and applying that to the sides.
Whoa. Slow down. Okay, hang on. I feel like it looks a bit wonky to me, like, I don't know. I'm a bit nervous about, oh my god, my arms. Why did I not comb through my hair before I started? Okay, hold on. Hold on, let me see. Okay, that looks a bit of a mess. Hold on. This side ain't so bad though. This side not so bad. My arms. How much time did she take to film this? Because she makes it look so easy, but oh, okay. Oh, okay, that's quite nice. I like that. Hold on. Okay. Oops. Oh no, hold on. Oh no, did I mess up my, oh no. Did I lose my part? Has it gone? No, hold on. Oh no, oh, crap. I'm just gonna twist this up because, yeah. For the time being. Oh my god, my shoulders. Okay, yeah, this is a little bit more tiring than I thought it was gonna be. Like she said in the tutorial that her hair was semi-stretched, and then she went straight from there into styling. I can't just go from semi-stretched into styling. Okay, so in the video she used some kind of buttercream hydrator. So I have this As I Am double buttercream, which is a really thick buttery consistency, not very watery though. I'm hoping I'm not overdoing it, but yeah, I'm gonna just smooth this up from the sides and stop. Okay, it's not so tight, but that's fine. I'm just gonna spread this in the middle and pull it a bit to tighten it up. I don't know, like, how's it going so far? Am I doing all right? It's nice, but I feel like it's not as neat as it could be. But yeah, she basically fast forwarded through the bits of doing the back, so I'm gonna have to do the back. So yeah, not combed out. Combed out. I think my hair density is a little bit different to the Chic Naturals. Just saying. Oh my god, my shoulders. Talk about an arm workout. Jeez. I don't know. Maybe I should have started on blow dried hair.
So I'm going to curl it, and to do that I'm using these orange and white perm rods. So I just have plain water in this bottle, and I'm misting my hair just to get it a little damp. And I'm doing about 5 rods per ponytail. Okay, no, so that's not going. A piece of hair out of that.
That's not going to work for me. I have this pink lemonade and coconut mousse from The Main Choice, and I also have these purple perm rods, which I've been wanting to try for quite some time, but just never quite got around to it. Maybe a little bit further down. Up from here, and roll this up, and then twist you around. It's hard doing this without putting my other piece of hair in the way. Hold on. This way. Yeah. I feel like a samurai wielding a sword or something. Like, seriously.
Once that was done, I set under the hair dryer for about half an hour, and then I just let it air dry for about another hour or so.
I think mine is going to be a combination of a air dry and a blow dryer. So I decided to glam up a little for the big reveal. Not quite sure why. This could be a total and utter fail. But I hit my hair with a blow dryer for a bit. So let's see what we got. Okay. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. Alright. On the right way here. Okay. Right. Oh, it's not wet. Okay, this one's a tiny bit damp, but it's not absolutely terrible. Okay, so the roots are a bit frizzy. That's fine. I'm not that bothered with that. The ends are, I've curled up quite nicely though. Basically, the front is dry. Some bits of the back are dry. Some bits of the back are still damp. And then you got some bits like this in the middle that are just like, no. I think I'm gonna have to try and diffuse this a bit also. I'm gonna have to try and save it somehow. I've put some coconut oil on my hands. If I can separate out. And maybe get, oh no, hold on. No! No! Okay, I'm gonna say it's not quite what what it was meant to be. Like, I feel like these bits here kind of ended up just puffing up a lot more than they should have. But the ends, for a good amount of them, did actually come out really nice. So, I mean, was this a success? Partial, okay, partial success. It wasn't a complete failure, I don't think. But what do you think? Like, talk to me down below, let me know what you think, because yeah, no. I feel like I brushed it up okay, but I feel like you can't really see the pines as well as you could. But I'm thinking maybe I would try this style again, maybe on blow dried hair rather than like just stretched hair, because semi-stretched hair for me, like, this was it was a bit of a struggle, okay? But I think the style idea overall is actually cute. Anyway, so comment and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, now that you've watched my attempt at recreating the Chic Natural hair tutorial, go ahead, click up here to watch Viviana's tutorial and to see how she got along. So wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Take care.